The other quote that says, when life gives you lemon, make lemonades. We're bringing that quote to life today, but here we're making lemon cakes. Stay tuned. In a clean bowl, add in your sugar, your butter, and your lemon zest and mix. So I'll drop detailed measurements of the ingredients used in this video in the description below, so check that out for the measurements. Adding your flavor at this point. For some reasons I didn't record that part. Okay, so you can use lemon flavor or vanilla flavor, whichever one. Next thing to do is to add in your vegetable oil and continue mixing. Scrape the sides of your bowl as you mix or even mixture of the batter. Keep mixing until it is light and fluffy. So the next thing to do is to add our egg, one at a time. So scrape the bowl and keep mixing until everything is properly incorporated. Now I'm adding my lemon juice. If you're enjoying this video so far, please click that like button and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and don't forget to turn on notification bell to get updates. Now I'm adding my flour. So my flour is already measured and sieved. Alternating with milk. You don't want to overmix at this point. So when you add your flour, you don't want to overmix. Just mix until everything is properly incorporated. So the next thing is to fold with your spatula. Fold very well with your spatula. And then we'll put it in our pan, ready to go to the oven. This is going to a preheated oven and bake for about 45 minutes. So I'm going to just put some lemon slices on top for more of the lemon flavor. So here is our cake. I guess I left it a little bit over the time so you can see the crust on top.
I enjoy the lemon cake with lemonade juice. You should give this recipe a try. It's really delicious.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. See you in my next video.